Hi boys and girls. Today I thought about how in that last story we did a lot of one-to-one correspondence when we were counting. So today I thought that we could do some sorting or classifying things, and it all starts with getting collections of things. So what I did is I went around the house and I started gathering things. And so I found a bunch of caps. I found some gems. I found, just because I was thinking of Teacher Karen, some buttons. And because I was thinking of Jackson, and I know he likes rocks, I found some rocks. And also because I was thinking of Andy, and he likes to have collections of coins, I got some pennies. So what I did is I also found a little bag. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot, and I love these. These are little alder pine cones. They're really tiny pine cones. So those were my collections. I had 6 collections of things. So I put them in my little bag. You're gonna need a little bag for this activity. So you put all your collection of all the things you just gathered inside your bag. Then you're gonna wanna find something with stripes, or it doesn't even matter. You don't even have to have something with stripes. I had this carpet that I had gotten from, I don't know where, but it has nice stripes on it. And then I'm gonna reach into my bag and I'm gonna pull out something. We have, buttons. Then I'm gonna reach in, got a little alder cone. And then, pennies. I could put pennies in this line. And then I have rocks I can put in this line. So as you notice, I'm putting different things in different lines. So this is like graphing. This is called graphing. And I have the gems. So then you could put your gems over here. So every time you pull something out, you put it where it belongs. So my alder cone, well, it goes with the alder cones. The button, we don't have a spot for buttons yet, so I'll put buttons over here. And so on and so forth. There's my gems. And then as you go, you just keep putting caps with caps, alder cones with alder cones, gems with gems, pennies with pennies. Found 2 that time. And as you reach in, you're going to find all these things that have different categorized spots in this graph. Pennies. Is that a penny? No, that's a button. That goes over with the buttons, but I found some more pennies. So as you notice, my collection has a lot. I grabbed 2 more caps. My collection, there's a lot of stuff in my collection. And so I'm graphing all of these things as I pull them out. More rocks goes with the rocks, buttons go with the buttons, pennies go with the pennies. It's just really fun to reach into the bag because you just never know what you're gonna find. Caps, more caps, more caps, and more caps. A gem. More caps and more caps. Oh my goodness, my caps line is getting really long. Alder cone. And let's see here. One more rock. And whoa, I think I'm almost down to the very end. I have 1 more rock and some more pennies. Okay, so as you can see, my graphing and all of my collections that have been sorted out are showing me something. They're showing me more and, yep, you guessed it, less. So if we look over here, we can obviously tell which one has the most. Now, because they're different sizes, sometimes they seem like they have the most because they're bigger. So it looks bigger, so it looks the most. But I'm noticing that the pennies are a pretty long line and the caps are a pretty long line. So one way we can figure out which one is the most is we have to count them. One-to-one correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 caps. Okay, so there's 10 caps. Remember that. Let's count the pennies because that was a pretty long line too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one is bigger? There's 10 caps and there's 9 pennies. Which one's bigger? 9 or 10? You got it, 10. So the caps are the most. Now I'm noticing that some of these other lines seem a little bit long. The alder seems about the same length as the buttons and the gems. So let's count the alder cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember that, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, let's count the gems. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are equal. Okay, let's count the buttons. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So the alder and the gems are equal. But what about 3? Let's see. 3. Oops, that's 4. 3 buttons, 4 of the equal alder cones and gems. Which one's more? You get it. 4 is more. Now, I also noticed that our rocks are a little bit in between the pennies and the gems. So this might be a large line. The one in the middle would be a medium line, and the one on the other side, which was the gems, is a smaller line. So that's how we would sort things out, by gathering up some collections from the house. Oh, there's Cooper. Oh, Cooper's checking out my collection too. All right, so have fun. Get yourself a little bag. It can be a paper sack, it can be whatever you want, but then you'll want to grab collections, things that are like my first collection was the caps. My second collection was the alder pine cones, then the pennies, then the rocks, then the gems, and last was the buttons, because I was thinking about Teacher Karen. All right, you guys, have fun. It could be a great day for sorting. Have a good day. Bye.